Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to turn off auto saving your phone's contact numbers in your Imo account. Sometimes we open new Imo account, then our phone's contact numbers add automatically in our Imo account. It's boring for many people. Follow this video to prevent this problem. I'm making this tutorial with Imo app. You can do this in all Imo apps such as Imo, Imo Beta and Imo HD. Before starting, I would like to say you subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. At first, you have to update Imo app if you use old version, and you can delete your Imo account first if there is already many numbers added in your Imo account. Then go to your phone's setting, then scroll down and go to apps. Then scroll down again and search for Imo app. Then select the Imo app that you want to disable contact permission. Tap on the app. Then scroll down and go to permissions. Then keep the contact permission disabled here. Imo app may want this permission from you several times, but you should always remember to deny this. Now I will open a new Imo account and my phone's contact numbers will not be saved automatically in my Imo account. Just see and follow my steps to solve your problem. Enter your phone number and click on blue tick icon, then tap on OK. Then type your name here and click on done. Click on done again. Then your new Imo account will be opened successfully and your phone's contact numbers will not be automatically added in your Imo account. Imo app will show you this dialog several times and will want contact permission from you, but you have to always tap on not now. Now let's see, there is no numbers in my Imo account, though there is many numbers in my phone's contact. Now let's see how to add a specific person in this Imo account. Find that person's number whom you want to add in your Imo account and copy that Imo number. I am copying a Imo number. Then go to Imo app again. Then click on add friends. Then paste that number here. Then click on add option. Then the number is successfully added in my Imo account. Comment below if you have any questions and subscribe my channel to get latest updates. Bye for today.